In this video, let's know how to prepare the wallpaper as we want, as shown in the image. Let's just practice. So let's download some images which we want to display on the home screen. Let's go to Chrome and search. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, I selected 5 images which are in black color aesthetic wallpapers. I searched. Now add quote. I'll add my name, Pramila. You can do it. Just remember why you started. My name in the quote. You can add yours. I edited all the 5 images. I added text to them in the InShot app because it gives a free trial. Yeah, I added text for every image. Let's save and so by long press on the home screen, we'll get options like widgets. If we press on the widgets, there will be a gallery option. Before gallery there will be photos, but no, don't select the photos, you won't get the option. So after selecting gallery, now add the pictures which you have edited before. Yes, you can adjust them or you can add one or more. Zoom and add. The same with the other two. You can add your name as quote or you can write any quotations uh, before setting it in the gallery widget. Here the plus symbol, you can add another photo. Yeah, I added 4 of them and the fifth one is here. I zoomed the quote only. Pramila, you can do it, right? Yes, by going to the images, you can set wallpaper. The phone pouch and the wallpaper, if your phone pouch is black, then you can add black. It looks so beautiful.